Welcome back, children. Today we will continue with the same chapter, but I will give you the topic, that is subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay, and how can we subtract unlike fractions? Here also we need to follow some methods. First step is find the LCM of two denominators. And you know the same like only addition. First we need to find the LCM. After that we need to change both denominators into LCM. Then you will get like fractions. Then you can subtract. Okay, that much only. The next is, I will give you one problem. Solve 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. The same like addition. First we need to find the LCM of two denominators, right? Here both denominators are 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So LCM is what? There is no common factor. So LCM is 2 into 3, that is 6. LCM equals 6. After that we need to change both denominators into LCM. 1 by 2 will become what? 2 into 3 equals 6. So 1 into 3, that will become 3 by 6. And 1 by 3 will become what? And 3 into 2 equals 6. So 1 into 2, that is 2 by 6. After that we can subtract 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 equals 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Answer is 1 by 6. Is it clear, children? The same like addition. First we need to find the LCM of both denominators. After that we need to change the denominators to their LCM. Then you will get like fractions. Then you can subtract. That is easy for you. Okay. The next problem is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Here also 4 is what? Prime factorization of 4 is 2 into 2. And 2. That we need to write 2 only here because 2 is prime number. And common in 2, that is 2. And LCM is what? 2 into, and balance number is 2, that is 4. After that we need to change both denominators. 3 by 4 will become what? That number itself, because 4 and the denominator and LCM both are same only, right? So 4 into 1, 3 into 1, that is 3 by 4 itself. And the next one is 1 by 2. 2 into 2 equals LCM 4, and 1 into 2, that is 2 by 4. So after that we need to subtract, right? How can we subtract? I will give you. Okay, and 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 will become what? Here 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. Answer is what? 1 by 4. Okay, and the next one is 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. How? Here also 4 and 3. Is there any common factor for 4 and 3? No. So the LCM is what? 12. LCM equals 12. So after that 4 into 3 by 4 will become what? 4 into 3 and 3 into 3, that is 9 by 12. And the next one is 2 by 3. 3 into which number equals 12? 3 into 4. So 2 into 4, that is 8 by 12. After that we need to subtract. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 equals what? 9 by 12 minus 8 by 12. Answer equals what? 1 by 12. Okay, is it clear? The next one is 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Here 6, prime factorization of 6 is 2 into 3 and 4 is 2 into 2. So common 2 and LCM equals 2 into, balance also 3 into 2. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, and see after that we need to change. 5 by 6 will become what? 6 into 2. 5 into 2, that is 10 by 12. So 3 by 4 equals 4 into 3. So 3 into 3, that answer is 9 by 12. That. Then after that we need to subtract 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4 will become what? 10 by 12 minus 9 by 12. That answer is 1 by 12. Okay. And after that 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Here also 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So LCM equals 6. LCM equals 6. 2 by 3 equals what? 3 into 2 equals 6. So 2 into 2, that is 4 by 6. Next one, 1 by 2. 2 into 3 equals 6. So 1 into 3, that is 3 by 6. After that 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 will become what? 4 by 6 minus 3 by 6, that is 1 by 6. Okay children. Then the next one is 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. Here 8 equals prime factorization of 8, 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 equals 12 and the common 2. And after that LCM is what? LCM equals 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Okay. And say 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. How? 5 by 8 will become what? Here nothing will happen because denominator and LCM both are same only. So 5 by 8 itself, and 1 by 2 will become what? 2 into 4 and 1 into 4, that is 4 by 8. Okay. After that you can subtract, that I will give 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2 equals 5 by 8 minus 4 by 8. Answer equals 1 by 8. Okay. The next two problems are homework. Okay children, thank you.